Hi, I'm Brandon Anderson from Oakfield High School. I am the project manager.
I'm Jonathan Schmitz, also from Oakfield High School. I work at Kondex.
Alright, so this year we built a trailer hitch grill. It goes into the back of a trailer hitch. And it's very compact. And we wanted to work on practicality, and we wanted to think ahead for what you guys want. So what we have is we have the grill, and then we have a spot for the cooler, and then you can put the cooler in the truck for transport. Then we also have a tool drawer for all the tools you need. And then our biggest feature is our seat track, and you can move the actual grill at different angles, and then you can also move it up, down, and then in and out away from the truck. So you can move it up and down about 2 to 4 inches, and then you can move it in and out about 7. So when you're transporting it, you can pull it close to the truck so it doesn't wobble as much, and then when you're grilling, you want to pull it out so you can get the tailgate down.
Another main feature is the ventilation system. This is a air intake here that goes down and feeds air underneath the coals, which then the smoke will come up and then it can feed out through the vents on each side of the top.
We have about 15 others. Parker Diesel, Izzy Tweedle, Cody Valinsky, Michael Primo, Tyler Franke, Brady Lobbs, Clayton Reed, Brandon Williams, Jackson Hoffman, Jacob Newton, Alexis Kaminsky, Jonathan Schmitz, Rodrigo Morales, Travis Bovey, and Megan Ryan. So we have quite the team with a lot of different skills and assets. So I want to thank Kondex and Rick and Kelly especially because of their dedication to Oakfield High School. They have really put in the extra time and went out of their way to help us with what we needed. Even Rick especially, he went out and worked with us 2 days after school and just to help us out a little bit. We are so grateful for everything that they have done and that their company does for us. So thank you for everyone that came out today, despite this lovely weather, to celebrate the whole year of hard work and our dedication. Thank you.